I have found a couple's travel trailer that does not feel like a couple's travel trailer. Let's check her out. You know I love a pocket door. Welcome to the Ozark 2430RBK. And I am Trish Sir here for Camping World, and I am here to show you what I think is probably one of the coolest couples travel trailers I've been in a while. Like, the floor plan's really innovative. And I know it's weird to some folks to go, Trish, why are we starting a room tour in the bathroom? Because y'all, happy life, happy wife. That's what I've learned. My husband will tell you the same. And a good bathroom with good flow is part of that recipe. So step right in. Thank you, Ozark, for getting this right. Dual vanities, undermount sinks. I love the high-rise faucet. You've got two medicine cabinets, his and hers, important. Again, I don't care who you're traveling with. When you have a lot of storage, everyone's at peace. I mean, look at the amount of storage, towels, toiletries, everything you need. Because it's that dual vanity, you get all that space in this bathroom and that backlit mirror. It's these little touches that make this travel trailer a little extra special. Now let's check out the shower. Look at this. You know, I love a retractable shower door. Again, clean lines, less mess in the space. We've got a skylight, a lot of height in here too. So that's what I love as well. Toilet, great window with curtain. I mean, I love a window in a bathroom, but you might want to that's the only hiccup. You might just want to, you know, on account of the shower. But pocket door so that when you shut this space off, it still adds to the flow. Now let's check out the living area. Okay, the open plan in here is great. I love the flow. Kitchen, we've got an island area, with a bar top. We're gonna talk about all that. But first, we've got theater seating. So as you pop down, boom, super cozy. Cup holders, we love. Reclining, a recliner. Oh yeah, honey, look, all the way back. Not like kind of back, like all the way back, live my best life. TV mount ready over there so you can relax. You've got your power ports, which I love, right? And then as I scoot back up, and you maybe want to just work a little bit, or you just want to eat right here, you've got the option, which I love, how this just spins, right? You can just spin. I'm going to spin your arm all the way around. You've got that over here. Look, this is the whole, you can release it to remove it and store it. I'm going to pop it back. Boop. So you've got this tray. I know if you're by yourself, maybe you're working, it's not necessarily, maybe it's just how I'm using it, to me, ideal for two to sit here because you've got the armrest, which I love, the built-in armrest. But for one, here, we'll go spin it around again. It is a nice table to the side, or desk or worktop, but it is kind of made for like one, maybe not two. Now, if you were having snacks or you wanted extra counter space, not a bad idea. But it is a little cumbersome, but I like the thought. It's like the 1.0 coolness of it I'm here for. Hopefully when they do the next generation, they like fold down, right? You're welcome. You're welcome, Ozark. When y'all do the next one, maybe they're like, they pop up out of the side. Let's put one more cool mechanic. So they're just kind of like like you're on an airline seat, but cooler. It's very first class. All right, that's where I evolved to. Let's go check out the kitchen because that has evolved to first class. Y'all, look at this kitchen. I love the elevated design and great use of space, right? So you've got this wonderful pressed countertop, which I think is really fun. And I know that it's probably busier than we're used to seeing in the RVs, but this is big in residential for 2024, just that great marbling. So I love that they did that. You've got a two-seater work area, bar top, whatever you want, but it's wonderful. So if you're making dinner, you can sit and hang and talk, love, because this takes you right into the flow of the kitchen. It's also wonderful extra counter space. So you've got a 3-burner cooktop. You've got a low profile fan with light, which I love. And if you're maybe working here as a workstation, maybe it's also the coffee bar. Maybe it's where the toaster goes. You've got this great power port for additional power. Then you've got, again, more power in the corner. And then what they've done in 2024 that I'm loving especially in a travel trailer, because we all know that space is at a premium and weight is a bigger premium. So the lighter, the better, right? Instead of doing your traditional oven, it's got a 3-in-1 microwave combo. Now I know y'all thinking, Trish, wait, what is 3-in-1? What else is happening in there? You know, I'm warming up a coffee, making popcorn. Yeah, no, honey, it means it's a microwave, a convection oven, and a grill. What? Where have we been, y'all? Can you stand it? So that's built in right below that 3-burner. Love the blue light accent as well, as we all know that's a favorite in RVs. And then we've got this really cool subway tile backsplash, a high-rise. Love a high-rise faucet, just like residential, right? And a wonderful undermount sink, which again elevates that whole look. I love the glass front shaker style cabinets and the profile all the way to the ceiling. Again, what is huge in residential and great use of space in RVs. And you've got these wonderful low profile handles, which also just elevate the look. That window backsplash so you can look at the beach, the ocean, while you're making breakfast, cooking dinner, and having that great view from behind. And then, wonderfully done, they've got the fridge right across. So the flow in kitchen is great, and it's the 2-way. Look, freezer what? Freezer what? It's like your fridge and freezer is a transformer. Oh, and one more bell and whistle that I absolutely love. I thought of everything on design. Look at that. Canned goods, spices. I love the use of space. I mean, again, it's making this island even more functional. So good. Now let's go check out the bedroom. Y'all know I love a pocket door, and it doesn't disappoint. Yet again, another one. So now we're in the primary bedroom with a gorgeous king bed, dual wardrobes, overhead storage, and y'all know I love a nightstand that goes all the way through. So rooms for CPAPs, books, whatever you need. You've got all that space. I love the underlight as well. So it's great ambient lighting. It's not like a harsh overhead light, which I think is super smart. And you've got your USB-C, USB, and power, which we both need. And, wait, you know, I love, look at this, storage and more storage. That's right. There's not only under bed storage, but there's end of bed storage. Like I said, there are details on this travel trailer that I really didn't see coming, and they're super smart. So normally I just say, great job. Look at this wonderful panoramic window, which I love. And then we'll just be done. But there's a whole bunch more outside. Do y'all want to go see it? Sure you do. Come on, let's go. This 2430 RBK keeps on giving outside. I know we said that this is a couple's travel trailer and it's a little more glamorous on the interior, but honey, she is on the outside too. We've got a gorgeous awning, outdoor speakers. Again, here's that gorgeous panorama window. It comes standard with solar, which we love. And y'all know I love an outdoor kitchen. Look at that griddle. We've got an outdoor fridge. I mean, it's just so fun. You have everything you need, be it the beach, the lake, whatever you're feeling. Extra large pass-through storage, rear backup camera prep. I mean, it goes on and on and on. Did I forget anything? I really don't think I did. I'm telling you, this is one of those rigs you have to come see in person because you're like, this is the coolest design. So what are you waiting for, honey? Get into your local Camping World today to check out the Ozark 2430 RBK. Remember to tell them Trish sent you, and we can't wait to see it.